Introducing Analytics Anonymous, a new kind of support for clinicians, researchers, and care teams. Welcome to Analytics Anonymous. If your ICU feels more like a maze of monitors, spreadsheets, and data than a system of support, you're not alone. So what is it? Analytics Anonymous is a 12-step program and support group for clinicians, researchers, and care teams who are overwhelmed by the chaos of multimodal monitoring and ready for something better. It's designed to help you move from confusion to clarity. Created by Moberg Analytics, we empower neurocritical care teams with the data to make life-saving decisions. And while modern tools can ease the burden of data overload, we know the truth. Learning a new system is hard. So why bother? Where do you start? That's where Analytics Anonymous comes in. These steps help you build data systems that truly support your work, so your data works for you, not against you. The 12 steps are more than just a checklist. Each one represents a shift in mindset, from outdated habits to confident use of advanced analytics. And you won't do it alone. We'll guide you with the tools and support you need to reach your goals. Analytics Anonymous is a satiric homage to the real frustrations of tech adoption, delivered with a lighthearted tone that honors the recovery communities inspiring its name. That's why, for every institution that completes all 12 steps, we'll donate $1,000 to the Curing Coma campaign to help advance care and find a cure. So, if you've ever thought, maybe it's just me, you're not alone. We'll begin posting weekly content at the end of August, but remember, your journey has no set timeline. You can start anytime. The future starts here. Let's do this together.